Stop. That's how you know we're at the slime.
That's how you know we're here. So what are we doing right now?
I don't even know.
It's so close on your face right now. Okay, we out here already. Look at all the stuff we got. Oh yeah. I'm hangry. I'm hangry. Look at the amount of people! Hi. This is insane! Look at this!
There's the line in there.
Oh my god. The line goes all the way around the parking lot. This is crazy! So we got check-in here. We got Slimer Alley all down here. And then this is the like main place. Oh my god. People haven't started coming in yet, but it's gonna be packed with people. Look who it is!
It's Big Bird.
Look how cute this all is!
Okay, so hi. Emily's making a vlog for her because she won't leave her.
I'm not leaving my table. What do you expect from me? Go vlog, go. Bye.
I've been kicked.
Accidentally deleted the footage here of me saying that a lot of people have arrived. That was it. It's not that exciting.
I have to say hi to Emily. You too.
We done. We out of here. Look at all of these slimes that I got.
Slime bash is officially over. I'm vlogging for Emily again because she's a lazy butt.
A lie.
It was fun, but I think we're both exhausted. That was her face the entire day.
No, it wasn't.
I'm kidding. It was so nice meeting everyone. We thank you for all the gifts. You guys are all so sweet.
Oh, you're so sweet.
We had a good time. We're just tired now because we were standing the whole day.
So, I'm home now, and I kind of didn't end this video off, I don't think. So, I really enjoy. Victor's my corgi, if you didn't know. Back to what I was saying, I enjoyed Slime Bash. It was very fun meeting you. I'll include a couple of pictures here if you want to see them. But I didn't really get that much footage because I was living in the moment, you know. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll have another video coming soon because school is almost over. I'm like literally gonna put money that by the time I post this, school like will be over. We'll see. Whatever. See you guys next time.